Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Airsoft and Scale Models. Today we're gonna go for new presentation. This time it's one of my favorite Airsoft guns, which, to be honest with you, I think is quite unique on the Airsoft market. We're talking about the beautiful Hera's CQR Hera, which it's a platform of a AR-15 platform with a very futuristic design, as you can see, but it's based, as I said, on AR-15 platform. It's a full metal gun on all the internal and external parts with an ABS, foregrip, and stock. The system, the gun system, is a SSS MOSFET system, which is having a very unique feature, which is a smart system, which is identifying the size of the BBs you're using. It protects the engine as well, and it gives you some options playing within fire by fire, automatic fire, or having a selection for a burst of 3 BBs. Also, recognize the type of the batteries as well, and it does have a very clever protection for the internal engine and protection against failing batteries or way too more powerful batteries. Going back to this beauty, as you already see in the one I have on my hand, it's quite heavy. I must admit, it's quite heavy, but it's heavy because of the types of the components it has. And as I said to you, it's all full metal. You can check the hop up, and you have an easy access to hop up in through that cartridges release. This Airsoft replica truly stands out from the crowd and is built from high quality alloys and materials with an alloy handguard, outer barrel receiver, and internal parts, and comes with a polymer stock magazine, foregrip, and flip out iron sight. The rifle features a high quality finish, as customers have come to expect nothing less from ASG rifle, and it finishes with all the official licenses and trades as well. The handguard, stock, and front grip are all built from the original OEM CAD design provided by Hera Arms for added realism, and has been modified by ICS to fit and work with an Airsoft AAG. The handguard has been slightly modified to fit an Airsoft receiver. The front grip is essentially exactly the same, as it connects to 20mm RIS rail, and the stock has been modified to fit an Airsoft buffer tube and have space for an AAG motor. This is it, guys. Thank you again for watching my videos, and please, if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.